Hi, this is Jake at Optery. In this video, we'll show you how to remove your info from RocketReach.co step by step. Let's jump in. To opt out of RocketReach, first go to the RocketReach homepage. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Do Not Sell My Info. In the next window, enter your full name, company you work for, your profile URL on RocketReach or LinkedIn, and your email address. Then click Submit Request. Check your inbox for an email from RocketReach and click the Claim Profile button in the email. You will be redirected to a new page. Click the Remove My Profile button. In the next window, state the reason for your opt-out request and then click the Remove My Profile button again. You will receive confirmation that your personal information has been removed from the RocketReach website. Congratulations on opting out of RocketReach. You have taken a simple but important step towards reclaiming your privacy. However, there are hundreds of people search sites. They are constantly changing, and it's nearly impossible to stay on top of these data brokers. That is why Optery offers the free exposure report. The exposure report shows screenshots from sites that have your data with links to let you see that data right on the site. Use the exposure report and our how-to guides to opt yourself out for free or sign up for an Optery paid plan, and Optery will handle the monitoring and removals for you and your family members. Bonus tip, if you're a business owner worried about the security of your employees, we also have Optery for Business. Go to Optery.com to sign up for your free exposure report.